Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 19th video in Python Tkinter GUI application development. In the last video we have covered how we can create a progress bar in Tkinter. This is from the previous video. In this video we are going to create a canvas widget in Tkinter. How you can create canvas widget in Tkinter. First of all, what is canvas? Canvas is a rectangular area. It is intended for drawing pictures, widgets, or complex layouts. You can place graphics, texts, widgets, or frames on a canvas. Also, we can create different shapes like arc, polygons, and image lines in canvas. We can create in two different ways in canvas in Tkinter. The first way, you can create a canvas and just in a section of window. For example, you want to create in this section the canvas, you can create. But in the second way, you want to create the canvas that takes the whole screen area. You can do like that. Okay. We will work on both. Let's get started. First of all, I have created a nice a new Python file at name of canvas.widget, canvaswidget.py, and I'm going to copy my window code from the previous video, just paste it here, and just I'm going to change the title to Tkinter canvas like this. Now if I run this, you can see I have a nice window. Now I'm going to define a new method in here, def create canvas, canvas. It needs some parameters. The first one is self, the second one is bg, background color. For example, I give it blue. The third one is the height of canvas. The height should be 250, and the fourth one is the width. The width is 300. Also, you can create the coordinates of your canvas. I give it 10, 50, 240, and 210, 210. Okay. Now if I run this, let me call my self.createCanvas. If I run this, okay, now there's nothing, but in here we need to create, for example, a shape in the canvas. For this, I'm going to, for example, I'm going to create an arc. You can write arc canvas.create_arc, give the coordinates, give the start. The start should be 0, and the extent to 150. Also fill, I'm going to give the fill rate. Now you can canvas.pack. Let me comment this first of all and run this. You can see now we have canvas. After creating your canvas, you need to pack that. If you don't pack this, let me comment this also. There will not be any canvas in here. Run this. Now I have a canvas that is 250 height and 300 width. Now if I uncomment this arc, you can see I will have an arc in my canvas widget. Now you want to this canvas should take your whole window screen. For this, you can simply in here write canvas.pack, give the expand vs and also fill bot. Now if I run this, you can see now my canvas is created in whole the screen. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos don't forget subscription of the channel.